In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to visit the Wrike affiliate page and sign up with the required information. By the end of this process, you'll be well on your way to becoming part of the Wrike affiliate program, which is a fantastic opportunity to earn rewards by promoting a leading project management tool. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to direct your web browser to the Wrike affiliate page. You can do this simply by typing Wrike affiliate into a search engine, which should direct you to the appropriate link. Once there, you will find an overview of the affiliate program, including details on how it works, the benefits of joining, and perhaps even testimonials from other affiliates who have found success through the program. Take a few minutes to absorb this information as it sets a solid foundation for your next steps and ensures you have a clear understanding of what to expect. After familiarizing yourself with the program, locate the sign up section. This is usually prominently displayed, often with a call to action that says something like join now or sign up. Clicking this will take you to a registration page where you'll be asked to provide some information. Now, this is a crucial step because entering the correct information ensures a smooth registration process and accurate communication from the right team. Here, you'll need to enter your first and last name, a valid email address you frequently check, and a password. Your email address serves not only as your contact information, but also as the username you'll use to log into your affiliate account, so accuracy is key. As for your password, make sure it's a strong and secure one to protect your account. Combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to meet most security standards. In addition to these basics, there might be a part where you explain your planned promotion strategy or provide links to your blog, social media handles, or websites you're involved with. This helps Wrike assess your potential reach and influence, so provide accurate and comprehensive information here. Be honest about your current platforms and how you plan to promote Wrike's products in your unique way. Once you've reviewed all the entered information for accuracy, go ahead and submit your application. Most platforms will send a confirmation email requiring you to verify your email address, so keep an eye on your inbox. Once your email is confirmed, Wrike typically reviews your application before granting access to promotional materials and affiliate support. And that's it! You've successfully visited the Wrike affiliate page and signed up with the necessary information. You're now ready to embark on this exciting affiliate journey. Be sure to explore Wrike's resources to maximize your earning potential. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your affiliate endeavor.